A fruit bowl is not just a beautiful centerpiece for your kitchen, it's a delicious and healthy way to enjoy a variety of fresh, vibrant fruits. Whether you're looking to add color to your table or want a quick, nutritious snack, a well-crafted fruit bowl can be both eye-catching and packed with flavor. In this guide, we'll explore 5 of the best fruit bowl ideas that are perfect for different occasions and tastes. Number 5. Gilles 2-tier countertop fruit basket with 2 banana hangers for kitchen, detachable metal organizer for bread vegetable fruits with wooden handle, large capacity rectangular storage stand bowls, black. About this item, better design. Concave design makes it easier to pick up items on the bottom. The fruit basket left and right have 2 hooks for hanging banana grapes, and 2 wooden handles for easier movement. Versatile storage, the Furid basket that can be used in many places. It can be used in the kitchen for vegetables and bread, in the living room for fruit, in the bathroom for towels, bath products, or to store miscellaneous items to organize cabinets. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Better design, no screws to assemble, you only need to spend 1 minute to install. Can be disassembled and used. You can put vegetables in the kitchen and fruits in the other in the living room. Sturdy and durable, made from the heavy iron wire. Smooth surface treatment process avoids rusting for a long time. Beautiful appearance design. This fruit basket can not only be used as organizing storage but also can be used for kitchen countertop and living room decoration. Number 4. 2-tier fruit basket bowl stackable vegetable storage with banana tree hanger stand for kitchen countertop, metal wire basket for bread, onions, potatoes, black. About this item, sufficient storage space, with 2-tier fruit baskets and banana hanger hook, makes much more place for you to store plenty of fruits, vegetables, bread or snacks, etc. Stackable multi-purpose. With stackable wire basket bowl and banana tree hanger attachment, this stylish 2-tier fruit basket stand can be used as 2 separate baskets for individual serving tray. The fruit stand is designed with an excellent shape which will prevent inside fruits or foods from going tumbling on the floor. Strong. This fruit holder is made of sturdy metal frame, with a good bearing weight capacity. It's strong enough to hold small heavy fruits like pineapples. It will be your excellent partner for long-lasting everyday use. Protect fruits. With this breathable fruit storage, your fruits will be ripened naturally thanks to the ventilated design, allows air to circulate. Hanging bananas with the hook, placing other fruits separately into 2 baskets, protects all of your fruits be ripened naturally. Stylish, elegant. Whether you place this tree fruit basket in the center of your dining room table or on your kitchen counter, it will add a sense of class and sophistication, then become the most good-looking decoration to whatever space it occupies. Number 3. Aledio Iron 2-tier countertop fruit vegetables basket bowl storage with banana hanger, black, 64 ounces. About this item, Noble 3i in a 2-tier fruit basket with banana hanger, fruit basket bowl with banana hanger, 1-tier fruit basket bowl. Upgrade structure of this fruit basket bowl has 3 raised feet to keep fruit clean. A smooth surface is far away from smudges. Dimension. The dimensions of the fruit basket bowl are 11x height 15, lower basket 8.8x 2.7h, upper basket 11-inch x 2.7h. Easy no-tool assemble, without complicated wall mount fixtures, NO drilling. Decorative or classical romantic ferric artifaction makes better. Customer service. In Aledio, you can enjoy 45-day full money back, 360-day replacement, and customer service. USPTO patent pending. Number 2. Antipy 2-tier fruit basket with 2 banana hangers, Countertop fruit vegetable basket bowl for kitchen counter. Metal wire storage basket. Fruit stand holder organizer for bread, snack, veggies, produce. About this item: detachable 2-tier fruit basket. You can use this fruit basket in a stacked 2-tier rack or use it as 2 separate baskets if preferred. It can hold plenty of various sized fruits, vegetables, and bread, keeping your space neat and organized. Removable banana hanger. 2 removable hangers provide capability to hang bananas and grapes, the perfect place to prevent your bananas from bruising. They are functional and balanced, can withstand a bunch of bananas, sturdy material and stable structure, made of rust-proof wrought iron with a classic black powder coating. Each basket has 4 circular feet that keep the fruits away from dirty desk and provide great balanced support. The portable wooden handles designed for easy carrying. Multifunctional storage rack, a functional helper to neatly store not only your fruits and veggies, but also bread, snacks, spice bottles or toiletries, toys, tools and more. Use it in the kitchen, pantry or bathroom, compact enough to fit on the countertop, dining table or under cabinet. Open wire and easy installation. The open wire design ensures plenty of ventilation for your fruits and veggies, which keeps them stay fresh longer. Well made and sturdy, easy to put together and take apart. Number 1. Caxa Countertop Fruit Bowl, wire basket for fruits, breads, vegetables, snacks, black. About this item: elegant slim design. Metal fruit bowl is made of premium curved wire with high quality and durable powder coating. The elegant and matte finish fruit basket holds a lot of produce and will enhance your kitchen decor, organization or storage, easy to clean. Multiple-use metal basket is perfect for showcasing fresh, colorful fruits and vegetables in the kitchen. It is also convenient to show snack, cake, cookie, candy, K-cup, storage of ingredients. Wonderful gift option, perfect for Thanksgiving, New Year, Christmas, holiday gift. Dimension 11.2 inches by 11.2 inches by 3.6 inches. USPTO design, patent pending.